everyone, welcome back to our channel. Rebecca's Doing the Crew. Today I have a DIY for all you YouTubers. I know a lot of you have just started your channel like I have, and before starting your channel, if you were like me, I went on, YouTube Creators Academy and learned everything I could about YouTube. Two of the most important things were to have good lighting and good sound. So for you guys today, I know we're all kind of on a budget starting our YouTube channel, so I found a way to make a ring light that is really inexpensive with just a few simple items that you all can make at home to help you guys with your YouTube channel. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is one of these clasp floral rings from Michaels for $2.63 and 3 packs of these LED lights from Big Lots. I got mine for $6. You can find them other stores. I just got mine at Big Lots. So the first thing I want to point out is make sure you still have these tabs attached. That way you know that your lights are going to work. A lot of them were kind of messed with, and I just made sure that they had all the tabs still in place so I knew my lights were going to work. So what's nice about these lights is they come apart and you just put 3 AA batteries in them, and they're really bright. These are 80 lumens, so the higher the lumen, the brighter the light. So these have this nice double-sided mounting foam tape, and I just followed the little dots that were already pre-drilled into this floral wreath form, and that was perfect for where to place my lights at. So what I want to point out is I only used 7 lights for this. Total, you could fit 8 on this craft ring if you wanted to cover each dot and have them equally spaced all the way around. I just bought 2 packages, and I had 1 light left over from a project that I had done around the house, so that's why I only used 7. But it's kind of nice to have that one open spot because it gives me a place to like hang the lights from if I'm putting it in different places around the house or on my camera and things like that. So I actually kind of like leaving the open space in the one area. And I did use hot glue just to make sure that it was going to stay in place. And it's really bright when it's all put together. And so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when I put it on my camera. And this is what it looks like attached. Okay, so I have my ring light up, and I want to show you guys the difference. So this is what it looks like with no front lighting at all. On the LED lights that I added, and as you guys can see, there's a notable difference. So I know this isn't going to replace like a real LED ring light that you can purchase online, but it's good for a starter channel. So I just thought I'd share this DIY with you guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.